Hey everyone, this is Dustin Brown with Snohomish County Life, and today we're talking about bell peppers. First thing I wanted to say is you'll see online a lot of people talk about having 4 lobes and 3 lobes and the gender of the pepper and the sweetness, and I just wanted to say that that's a myth. It's not really real. All peppers, they're fruits. The plant itself contains female and male parts, but the ripeness and the sweetness is determined by how it's grown, what type of pepper it is, stuff like that, not by the lobes. So, how do we dice a pepper? First thing, of course, I wash it. Take the top and bottom off. These can be diced or tossed depending on your preference. I like to dice them and keep them. And I'll cut 4 sides, trying to remove as much as the rib as possible. And there you see, no seeds. Then I like to take the white parts off, but that's just a personal preference. Some people don't mind them at all. Now you'll see I got 4 beautiful little planks here. Sometimes I'll stack them up when I do them, but I'll just do them one at a time just to show you. So I'll cut some beautiful little julienne here. Then I'll line them up together, come back across. Beautiful little pepper dices. For these guys, I like to do the same thing. Find a nice line where I can cut them into lines. Then I'll line them all up, go across them on the other way. So you'll get less of a square cut on these, but you won't be wasting any of it. So yeah, that's the bell pepper right there, made easy. Y'all let me know in the comments what else you want to see cut, and I'll give it a try next time. Thanks for joining me. This is Dustin Brown with Snohomish County Life. Have a great day.